Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our trade-in 2017 Grady-White 306 Canyon. Outside hull color is sand. This boat is powered by twin Yamaha 300 4-stroke engines. As we walk through, you'll have a transom freshwater sprayer, fold down bench seat in the back, a very large spacious fish box, dual battery switches with dual batteries, raw water washdown. Here you'll have a live well and a bait prep station with a freshwater sprayer. Below you'll have tackle storage and for your lures. If we make our way forward, we have lockable rod holders, very spacious drawers that are lockable. Here at the helm, you'll have the upgraded helm seats with flip-up bolsters. You'll have your Bennett trim tabs with indicator, Yamaha digital gauge, Ritchie compass, Garmin GPS chart plotter fish finder, standard Horizon VHF radio, and Fusion stereo. In the hardtop, you'll have lights built in, speakers molded in, storage up top. As we make our way toward the front, you'll have a very spacious head compartment. Up in the bow, you'll see a raw water washdown, a freshwater washdown, plenty of seating. And finally, this boat does have a windlass anchor. This completes the walkthrough of this 2017 Grady-White 306 Canyon. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.